Ever made a decision because everyone else was doing it? Maybe a trend, maybe an investment, maybe a career move. At first, it feels smart, safe, even exciting. But then you ask yourself, did I really choose this? Or did I just follow the crowd? You jumped on the bandwagon. English with Bruce, quick one. Jumping on the bandwagon means join something popular or trendy because others are doing it. Not conviction, just momentum. In Korean, you can say 유행에 편승하다. This is how people actually say it. Everyone is jumping on the AI bandwagon, but few understand what they're building. He never cared about crypto, but now he's jumping on the bandwagon. Trends feel powerful. Choose, don't follow. Subscribe. I'll see you on Wednesday.